Want to protect your property, avoid guest issues, and set clear expectations from day one? Well-written house rules are the foundation of a smooth hosting experience. Today, we're exploring the HostFiler House Rules Builder, a powerful tool designed to help hosts create clear, professional, and shareable policies in minutes. Let's get started. We begin on the HostFiler homepage. At the top, you'll notice a section called Success Hub. Here, you can explore helpful resources and tutorials for all HostFiler tools, including the ones we've already covered like Guestbook Builder, Wi-Fi Sign Maker, and Cleaning Checklist Builder. Now, let's move to today's tool. Click on House Rules Builder. You'll land on the tool page where HostFiler highlights its purpose, helping you create clear house rules that guests actually read. As you scroll down, you'll see features like comprehensive coverage, professional formatting, and shareable web pages. Now click on Create Your House Rules. If you're new, you can sign up. Otherwise, log in and continue. Once inside the dashboard, you'll notice your account summary, total artifacts, published documents, and your token balance. Since we've already used another tool before, you'll see updated values here. Now scroll down to the Build section and click on House Rules Builder arrow, Create New. Property and Policy Setup. Here, your property is already selected. You can customize your document name if needed. Now, choose your property type, whether it's a house, apartment, condo, villa, studio, or something else. Next comes an important setting, strictness level. You can choose how strict your rules should be, flexible, moderate, or strict. For this example, we'll go with strict. Now set your maximum guest capacity. Enter the number based on your property. This helps avoid overcrowding. You can also adjust check-in and check-out times here. Next, configure your pet policy. You can choose Not Allowed, Allowed Without Fee, or Allowed with a Fee. If you select a fee, simply enter the amount. You can also enable service animals. Policies Setup. Now let's move to smoking policy. You can allow outdoor smoking or define designated smoking areas. Next is party and event policy. You can allow small gatherings with approval or restrict events entirely, depending on your preference. Once everything is set, click Continue. House Rules section. Now we enter the main House Rules tab. Here, you'll find structured rule categories like occupancy rules, registered guests only, noise policy, guest conduct, cleanliness expectations, parking rules. Each rule can be customized, edited, shown, or hidden based on your needs. You can also add custom rules to match your property requirements. Click Continue to move forward. Rental Agreement section. Next is the Rental Agreement tab. You can enable this if needed. Once enabled, you can define security deposit, cancellation policy, additional legal terms. You can also use the built-in library to quickly add professional content. Scroll further to configure check-in procedures, checkout procedures, additional terms. All of these can be selected or customized from the library. Click Continue. Never Protocol, optional. Now comes the Never Protocol section. This is optional. You can enable it if you want to define strict, never allowed actions, or simply skip it and continue. Preview and Design. Now we reach the Preview section. Here, you can see exactly how your house rules will look. Customize the design by changing primary and accent colors, adjusting fonts, selecting a template. You'll find styles like minimal, modern, friendly, and professional. Choose the one that fits your brand. Once you're satisfied, click Continue to publish. Publish and download. Now your document is ready to publish. You'll notice that this tool uses 5 tokens. After publishing, you can download your house rules as a PDF. Click Download PDF, and your professionally designed document is ready. This can be shared with guests, printed, or added to your booking flow. Now, if we return to the dashboard, you'll see your updated stats. Total artifacts increased. Published count updated. Token balance reduced accordingly. You can also check your transaction history for detailed usage. And that's it. Your professional house rules are ready. Clear policies don't just protect your property, they improve guest experience and increase your chances of earning 5-star reviews. If you're serious about hosting, this is a must-have tool. Explore more tools like this at hostfiler.com and take your hosting game to the next level.